Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Volvo. It's not intuitive the first time you do it, and it had me flummoxed to start off with. So from any screen, if we click telephone, which is the second one in from the top left, telephone, you see there no phone connected, OK to connect, but you don't want to connect a phone. Anyhow, you've got to click OK to connect. And now it's brought up a list of phones that are already connected to the vehicle. So then just turn it down to my phone there, click OK, and there you see you've got connect for phone or delete device. So just turn that to delete device. Do you want to delete Barry's iPhone? OK to delete, exit to cancel, OK. And there it's gone. But you have to go through the steps as if you were going to connect a phone when you actually want to find it and delete it. So as I say, it did have me flummoxed to start off with. That's how you do it anyway.